Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I did just a transmission job, and I found two issues that can be little issues but can prevent you from starting the car after your transmission job. So I wanted to point this out because I ran into both of these issues and maybe save somebody else some headaches, so I can show you visually what happened and explain what's happening. Okay, I just did an AOD. An AOD and 4R70W are the same with this issue. Now, at first, after the transmission job, the car wouldn't start. I tried to start it, and it turned. When it turned, it acted like it was dead. Now I'm going to show you the first issue, and then I'm going to talk about the second issue. This car's hot now. You see the MLPS right there? It's two 8mm bolts to take it off, and it fits around the shift lever. This communicates with the computer to tell which position this transmission is in. If this is not working correctly, the car won't start, it'll be inoperable and will not move. Now, even if you have that right, say you pull this cable too tight. This is the shifter cable here, and there's a 13mm bolt behind this pipe. That's why I had the ratcheting wrench there. It fits between without an issue. Well, if that cable is too tight, you run into the same circumstances as the MPLS because you're telling the computer it's in a different position. Now, the way to check for this is you can put the shifter above park, right below park, put it in neutral and try it in different ways and start the car. This will give you a good indication. If it's not in the center part of park and you put it up, or you have tension coming back out of the shifter, there shouldn't be tension. That means you have this cable too tight and it won't start. I just adjusted the cable and I did have it too tight. So I want to show you, these are two common things with AODE and 4R70. Say you just did this transmission job and then, hey, it won't start. The car started prior. Well, these are the first two places that I would look. So I'm hoping to save somebody some trouble and help out the community. So like, subscribe, and share, and as always, keep on dreaming.